crime lab babwire bapima amaraso y'umwana witwa Matayo Barros kira kirego bagifunze imyaka 5 ishize sinzi ko babikora binkorere hamagara Rwanda Forensic Laboratory bongere bapima ayo maraso kibyambere baratubeshye tugaruke muri Bag Reproductive bano barahinjiye umwe n'umupolisi ukora muri Switzerland.
When I called, I didn't mean for you to come down.
Umva ngo guhamagara gasina kubwira ngo uze hano.
Respectfully, I don't care.
Kandi uskuri burakaza fanda yamukuye mu kazi nago mbyitayo.
Detective Inspector Daniel Mulel.
Do we know why Burroughs broke in?
Twatuzi impamvu Barros yaje hano.
Pain nothing inside, his family owns Burroughs.
Hayden Payne niwe abinjije hano.
Are there any witnesses?
Hari umutangabuhamya? Wapi?
Burroughs was not looking for someone, but he was definitely looking for something.
Barros yari umuntu atashaka bwo hari ikintu yashakaga.
Patient information.
Yashakaga nk'amakuru y'umurwayi. Yashakaga amakuru y'umurwayi umukobwa zana.
Most programs have a backdoor admin or passkey.
Kuvuga ngo abantu benshi bakora ama programu bano ba Celeste tubona bavuna isanga.
Once the program's
iyo bakoze programu bajya bibagirwa ko hari irembo ry'inyuma umuntu akanya kari kose ashobora gucama binjirira. Uyarabanza arabinjirira. Abantu benshi barabyibagirwa ubu twagezemo imbere.
See what you were looking for.
Batore n'iki muri kure bano?
Patient records, recent history.
Turebe recent history, barebe n'iki umuntu heruka kuri machine yarebye. Barebye babona. Cherry Mills.
That's weird.
Bino bintu ntago bisanzwe.
His ex-wife.
Kubera iki ari gushaka izina ry'uwahoze ari umugore we hano. David Barros.
You know, I really could have used you.
Kandi ubona atari umurwayi hano.
You wouldn't believe how many firewalls I had to hack through when I was chasing those offshore accounts.
Cyakora umuhanga wa mukobwa ku ikoranabuhanga ni kenshi twajyaga dukurikirana ibirego nari kuzagukeneramo bijyanye n'abantu banyereza amafaranga bakayandika ku makonti cyangwa se ku makampani atabaho abarizwa iyo hakurya mu bihugu bya kure.
Have you ever hacked accounts in the Caymans?
Wigeze ukurikirana amakonti yari yabaruye muri Caymans? Zirenzimo.
There was a prison guard at Briggs named Ted.
Hari umujepe mpano umujepe. Hari umusiriveya warindaga muri gereza bita ngo ni Briggs. Bamwitaga Ted Weston.
Keep tabs on Burroughs and
yagiye yishyurwa amafaranga kugira ngo acunge we David Barros ari muri gereza. Ayo mafaranga yafaga muri konti ya Caymans.
What was the name on the account?
Iyo konti yitwaga nde?
Holdings.
REH Holdings.
You take Detective Mueller back to use your computer.
Umva twara Detective Mueller akoresha computer yawe akurikirane.
I need to talk to Cheryl Drew.
Ngiye kujya kuvugana na Cheryl Drison menye impamvu umugabo yaje kumushakira hano mu ivuriro ry'abantu baterwa intanga. Gita ku by'ubuzima bw'imyororokere. Hari ukuntu umugabo wawe atabyara mukaza mu ivuriro ryacu tukabatera